you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Mercedes-Benz SLC 300. This is an AMG Sportline. Not to be confused with an AMG, it just has all the trims. Wheels, bumpers, side skirts, mirror covers, all the trim pieces from an AMG, but this is an SLC 300. Super nice vehicle. It's a collision damage vehicle. Showing you the engine compartment. Everything is square, perfect, no issues. Starts, drives. Do a walk around. Nice white color, black interior. It's got the glass roof. Has rear end collision damage. Got a little buck on the quarter here. Trunk is damaged. Most of the damage is isolated to the left rear. Save that quarter. Looks like the rear body panel. Trunk floor. It's okay. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So it's isolated here, which is really the rear body panel. All the wheels look like they're sitting in place. Convertible top. A little offline here, but not too bad. We haven't tried opening it. So the vehicle squared. It's got a little space here too. That's from the quarter being swayed over from left to right. So the left rear did sway over a little bit. Not too bad. But aside from that rear end collision, really nice car. Let's take a look inside. 21,000 miles. No airbags deployed. Nice AMG Sportline seats. Really nice builder. Anybody that's looking for a convertible. Anyway, we're gonna take pictures of it soon. Post it on the website. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.